Pakistan Air Force JF-17 Thunder going to participate abroad at Dubai Airshow 2023 for the first time, which will be held from November 13th to 17th in Dubai. Pakistan's Pride JF-17 aircraft along with the PAF contingent comprising PAF pilots and technicians are also participating in this upcoming airshow event. JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is the most advanced variant of the JF-17 Thunder, a multi-role fighter aircraft jointly developed by Pakistan and China. The JF-17 Block 3 variant with improved weapon compatibility, allowing it to carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. This includes beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, and anti-ship missiles. JF-17 Thunder Block 3 featured advanced avionics, including a modern radar system, equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar, which enhances the aircraft's ability to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. JF-17 made its first debut at Farnborough Airshow in 2010, when two JF-17s flew all the way from Pakistan to Farnborough, United Kingdom. At Farnborough, the aircraft attracted intense focus of visitors and international media. 4 months later, in November 10th, 3 JF-17s flew over to China to participate in Zhuhai Airshow 2010, where the aircraft made its first ever aerobatics display. In June 11, 2011, 3 JF-17s participated in aerobatics and static display in 100 years celebrations of Turkish Air Force. In June 2015 at International Paris Air Show, Pakistan secured its first ever export order for its JF-17 Thunder fighter aircraft. The JF-17 aircraft has previously participated in Dubai Airshow 2015 and 2017 respectively. As per sources, Pakistan and China has bagged its first sale at the Dubai Airshow event. During Operation Swift Retort carried out by the Pakistan Air Force in response to the Indian Air Force's airstrike in Balakot, Pakistan, on February 26, 2019, JF-17 Thunder aircraft showcased its capabilities in both the ground strikes and fighter sweep activities. At present, JF-17 aircraft stands prominent in its own class of fighters. In the present environment, when defense budgets are shrinking and air forces face difficulties in affording modern combat aircraft, JF-17 offers a highly cost-effective solution with cutting-edge capabilities. In the shape of JF-17 aircraft, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and Chengdu Aircraft Corporation offer a cost-effective, highly potent, multi-role combat aircraft which is capable of meeting the challenges of present and future air power employment.